Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to hide and how to unhide a specific folder. First of all, I will explain to you how to hide a specific folder from the other user. Come to the laptop and open the Word file, and you can see here I will cover how to hide a specific folder from the other user. This method is used to increase your security and hide your data from the other user. Practically, I will cover these steps. Then come to the folder. So I want to hide the new folder from the other user. Right click on it and then click on the show more option, and then click on the property option, and then select the journal option. You can see here, select it and then take in the hidden option, you can see, and finally click on the apply button. You will see here the new folder will disappear from the screen. Then apply this one option and finally click on the OK button. The new folder will disappear from the screen. Then click on the OK button. The new folder will disappear from the screen. Now I want to cover how to unhide a hide folder again. Come to the PC, and now I will cover how to unhide a specific folder. I will cover these steps. Click on the folder. Now I want to unhide a hide folder. Click on the view option and then click on the show option, and then click on the hidden item. The hide folder will appear again. Click on it. You can see here the hide folder will appear here. So I want to unhide a hide folder permanently. You can see here, if you permanently unhide a specific folder, click on that folder, go to the property, click on the option, and you can see here, click on the right click on the new folder. I want to unhide this folder permanently. Click on it and then click on the show more option, and then click on the property option and click on the journal option, and then uncheck the hidden option, you can see here, and then click on the apply button, and you will see here this one folder will permanently unhide. You can see here. In short, in this video I have covered two methods. First one is how to hide a specific folder from the user, and another step is how to unhide a hide folder again. If you have any question about how to hide and unhide a specific folder, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.